Imagine waking up one morning realizing that the lifestyle you've worked so hard for is slipping away. As baby boomers edge closer to retirement or navigate their golden years, the financial landscape is shifting beneath their feet. Today, we delve into the critical challenges that could prevent boomers from maintaining their comfortable lifestyles within the next decade. Understanding these factors is essential to safeguarding your future and ensuring a secure retirement. The first, long-term care expenses. Long-term care is one of the most significant financial burdens facing retirees today. The cost of nursing home care can exceed $100,000 annually, a figure that Medicare barely touches. Without adequate planning, these expenses can rapidly deplete retirement savings. For those without a comprehensive long-term care plan, the reality is stark. Their hard-earned savings might vanish quickly, leaving them financially vulnerable. Rising healthcare costs. Healthcare costs are escalating at an alarming rate. While Medicare provides a safety net, supplemental insurance and prescription drug costs continue to rise each year. Many boomers find themselves allocating more of their limited funds to cover these essential expenses, often at the expense of other areas of their budget. The increasing premiums for Medicare Advantage and supplemental plans are becoming unsustainable for a growing number of retirees, forcing them to make difficult choices about their healthcare coverage. 3. Increasing travel expenses. Travel has long been a dream for many retirees, a way to explore the world and enjoy newfound freedom. However, rising airfare and hotel costs are making these dreams increasingly unattainable. Fuel prices and other associated costs are driving up the price of air travel, pushing once-in-a-lifetime trips out of reach. Instead, many boomers are opting for more affordable road trips closer to home, sacrificing their ideal travel experiences due to financial constraints. The fourth, home repairs and upgrades. Maintaining an older home comes with its own set of financial challenges. Essential repairs, such as roof replacements or adding accessibility features, can become prohibitively expensive. The cost of these necessary upgrades can double over time, forcing homeowners to delay or forego important maintenance. This not only affects the quality of life, but can also lead to more significant and costly issues down the line, further straining limited retirement funds. Next, the rising costs of new vehicles. The price of new cars has surged to nearly $50,000, and this trend shows no signs of slowing. For retirees needing reliable transportation, the cost of purchasing a new vehicle is becoming increasingly burdensome. Additionally, insurance premiums for cars are rising faster than other types of insurance, adding another layer of financial pressure. Many boomers find themselves forced to buy used cars, which, while cheaper upfront, often come with their own set of hidden costs and maintenance issues. The sixth factor, escalating grocery bills. Everyday necessities, particularly groceries, are becoming harder to afford. Inflation and supply chain issues have driven up the cost of essential items like fresh produce, meat, and dairy. For many retirees living on fixed incomes, these rising costs mean sacrificing quality and nutrition. Switching to less expensive, often less healthy food options is becoming a necessity, impacting overall health and well-being during retirement. The seventh, the financial strain from helping grandchildren. Supporting the education and extracurricular activities of grandchildren is a common aspiration among boomers. However, skyrocketing tuition fees and educational costs are making this support increasingly difficult. Many grandparents find themselves scaling back their contributions, which can lead to emotional stress and a sense of unfulfilled legacy. The overall cost of being a grandparent in America is rising, adding another financial strain to an already tight budget. Finally, number 8. Declining entertainment and hobbies. Retirement is supposed to be a time for enjoyment and relaxation, but rising costs are turning hobbies and entertainment into luxuries. Activities such as golf memberships, theater subscriptions, and dining out are becoming increasingly unaffordable. The higher costs of food and wages for service employees mean that even simple pleasures like eating at a restaurant are stretching budgets thin. This financial pressure forces many boomers to give up their favorite pastimes, diminishing the quality of their retirement years. These financial challenges paint a concerning picture for baby boomers approaching retirement or already retired. The inability to afford essential and desired aspects of life can lead to significant anxiety and stress, undermining the very foundation of a comfortable retirement. It's crucial for boomers to take proactive steps now to address these looming financial obstacles. From comprehensive long-term care planning to adjusting budgets and exploring additional income streams, there are strategies that can help mitigate these challenges. We want to hear from you. How are you preparing for these potential financial hurdles? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Remember, securing your retirement requires informed decisions and strategic planning. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and take control of your financial future. Meanwhile, if you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to the Smart Retiree for more insights and guidance on navigating retirement with confidence.